So you're looking for a place to manage all of your icons using Font Awesome in your projects. Well, good news because creating a Font Awesome kit is now easier than ever. Let's walk through it. After signing in, click the Your Kits tab at the top of the page. If you don't yet have a Font Awesome account, this tab will read Get Started. On the Kits page, if you've made any kits, you'll see them here. To create a new one, click the Add New Kit button. Let's start by picking which icon styles to include. When creating a kit or changing your existing kit settings, you can select icons from the full icon library or subset your kit by selecting by style or by icon. Building a by icon kit, you'll handpick those icons once the building process is complete. That process is covered in another video. And whatever option you pick, you can always add custom icons to any Pro kit. Now let's customize your kit so you can easily spot it later. Give your kit a name, choose an icon, and pick a color. Once all your customizations are made, click Make My Kit. In your kit, you can see the icons you've selected to use in your project, as well as any custom icons that you've uploaded. You can also change the current version of your kit, add a domain, and see how many page views this kit has gotten. Under the Use Kit tab, you'll find all the ways you can put your kit to work. Whether you're adding Font Awesome to an HTML project, building with AI tools, or using platforms like WordPress and Figma, getting started with a kit is quick and easy. You can install an NPM or Yarn package and download your kit for web and desktop use as well. To change any kit-related settings, select the gear icon. Here you can change the kit name, icon, and color, and how your kit serves your icons. See, that was super easy, and now it's your turn to go make something awesome.